Well, hello there. This is Lee Thurburn, and you have joined Live Stream Lee, and I want to welcome you to another episode where today we're going to be talking about Adalo no-code cell phone app development. We're in the process of building an app that's like Etsy. It's a multi-vendor marketplace app that'll actually work on a cell phone, where if you wanted to, you could actually invite an unlimited number of vendors to offer their products for sale on your marketplace. And then you, as the marketplace owner, are responsible for driving traffic to the marketplace and getting customers to buy from the vendors. Now, you, if you wanted to, could do this and could take a commission of whatever you wanted to, 5%, 10%, 20%. It's up to you and the marketplace. You know, Amazon makes about 30% on everything they sell. Of course, they also do cover storage and fulfillment and things like that. However, a big part of what people pay Amazon for, and eBay and Etsy, is the marketing, the traffic that they generate. And so if you have a large audience and think you could do the same thing that they do, then this app that we're building is something that you could use. Now, when I'm done with it, I'm going to be making this app an available app option that is a module that you can tack on to one of the apps that we offer. So I'll literally be building this for me to offer as a client or to clients, and you can see how I do it. Now, using no-code development tools is dramatically changing the landscape when it comes to providing people with cell phone apps. It used to be that you had to do a very complicated programming task to create an app and then upload the raw code to Apple and have them review it and all that kind of stuff. Well, the whole process has been dramatically shortened. It's been improved. It's actually something that somebody with relatively little coding skills, somebody that just understands workflow, can in fact do. So that's why I'm showing you what I'm showing, so that you'll understand why app prices are either already or are about to kind of fall through the roof down to a reasonable level. Now, my day job is to run a company called Apricot Rocket, which is a company devoted to helping you grow your business faster. In fact, it's a software platform similar to Facebook or LinkedIn, but instead of being social or business networking or professional networking focused, we're focused on helping businesses get customers. Go to apricotrocket.com and check it out. Create an account. They're free, and play around with it. It is a tool designed to help you grow your business faster. Now, should you decide that you want to become a client for only $49.95 a month, we actually provide you not only with a CRM database and email marketing, and text message marketing is included, but we also provide you with your very own cell phone app. So go take a look at apricotrocket.com. AppyRocket is the development arm, appyrocket.com. I actually need to update the pricing on that to get it in sync with our brand new pricing. And then livestreamlee.com, where all of these episodes that I record for things like how to grow your business, as well as how to write software, as well as any strategy, business strategy, is all of the episodes are available for you to review. Now, I do, before I get started, want to, as I usually do, want to mention a couple of people. Whoops, clicking on the wrong things here. I do want to mention a couple of people. Today, I want to tell you about a good friend of mine named Bob Hampton. Bob is a CPA and a financial advisor who specializes in helping businesses prepare for their exit strategy. So if you have a business and you're even remotely getting close to the point where you're thinking it would be nice to sell the business and move on to either retirement or to some other business opportunity, give Bob Hampton a call. He is the kind of guy, and this is what he does, is he helps you prepare your business for that sale. And when I say prepare your business, what I mean is there are things you can do from a tax planning perspective that can dramatically reduce the amount of taxes that you have to pay on the gain from the sale of your business. So go to livestreamly.com, click on the Bob Hampton button, and get in touch with Bob. You'll see his name and number. You'll actually go to his website and have a conversation with him. Bob's a great guy, and he can save you a ton of money, which of course is part of what being in business for yourself is all about, to make money. So do that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and share the screen, and we're going to continue with app development. And so where we were at was yesterday we had run into a couple of bugs, and we were going to do some debugging, and then we were going to get the orders working so that somebody that has orders could see them. Okay, so just kind of as a refresher, I'm going to click on preview, and we're going to go to our wait for it to load. Then we're going to go to our profile page. And on our profile page, we can see that we have a Toyota Land Cruiser here. And if I click on Toyota Land Cruiser, it's going to take us, well, to nothing. This is the orders page, and it doesn't have an order on the orders page. So we need to figure out what's going on there. And we also need to be able to see orders, we need to be able to process orders. And right now, we cannot process orders. So if I click over on I'm going to go ahead and highlight this. This is the order items panel. So this is where you do your checkout. And so we come down here to the payment area, and I click on the payment link. And here we have a payment that has not been configured. So I'm going to go ahead and click Connect with Stripe. And it's probably going to ask me to log in to my Stripe account. So let's see if it does. And well, you know what? I'm going to have to look up my password because I don't remember my password. So I'm going to have to take this off of screen share for just a moment. So let me do that because I can't be showing you my password when I look it up. Now, I should have gotten this all set up and prepared and ready. So let's see here. I've got to go log in. And I've got to get my Stripe password. Come on. Okay, so the silence is me typing, trying to log into Apricot Rocket so I can get my Stripe password. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here, and where am I at? Go back over here, go to Stripe, paste in my password, and it's probably going to send me a code and ask me to, yes, it's going to send me a code. So I'm going to go ahead and now I'm going to turn Stripe back on so you can watch what I'm doing. So here we go. So it sent me a code, and I need to type that in, 889704, I think. Let me look at that. Yeah, let's see, 889704, 889704. And so now it is selecting the account. I'm going to go ahead and click Connect. And basically, all you have to do, there we go, successfully connected. Great. So now we come back over to the Adalo app or the Adalo system. And right here where it says connect with Stripe, I'm going to go ahead and click the refresh button, and presuming everything works correctly, it will now say, well, it should say connected. I'm going to wait for it to reload, and now I'm going to click on the little link, and there we go. Stripe Connect is active. Okay, now Stripe offers a variety of different connection options, but we're going to come back and talk about that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go preview again, and I should still be logged in. And so I'm going to click on view cart and see if I have some items in my cart. And I do. I have a Toyota Land Cruiser for $1.70. So I'm going to go ahead and click pay now. Well, it says platform error. Okay, so, oh, I have to connect up. Okay, before I can actually do this, I have to connect up my Stripe account. So let's see here. I need to come over here to this, and I need to come down to test mode, and I need to put in my publishable keys and my secret key. Then I need to turn test mode off. Now I have a different browser open, and I actually have Stripe open. So I'm going to just pop over here and make sure that, yeah, I'm still on the, I know I'm talking in the background and time is moving on. So let me just kind of focus on what I need to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab from the Stripe API developers section, API keys. And one of them is visible. It's the publishable key. So I just copied it. So now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to paste the publishable key in. And now I'm going to go back over and I'm going to get my live key. And it's going to make me log in again. And before it'll show me my live key. And now I'm going to copy my live key. And because I can't show you that, I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to paste the secret key here. And again, I have to turn off the share. I'm going to go paste the secret key. And now I'm going to turn it from live to, from test to live. And okay, now I'm going to go ahead and bring it back on. And so now it should allow me to check out because I've turned on the Stripe connection. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and click preview. View cart. And now let's click pay now, and could not find payment information. All right, so here's what we've got. I don't have total price. Okay, so I need to debug why I don't show total price on the cart page. Okay, so let's go over to the cart page and let's move this over and let's debug this. I want to show the total price. So I've got order item total price, and this total price needs to be a combination of the order item price times the order item quantity. So total price here, what we're going to do is we're going to have to put a calculation in. So I'm going to go ahead and go into a new formula, and on this custom formula we're going to grab the current order item price, and then I'm building a formula. So now it's a little tricky. You have to put your cursor sometimes behind it and then move it in front. So I'm going to try to put my cursor in front. It's not real easy to do this. So I'm just going to times. I'm going to go ahead and put a times in here. I'm going to put my cursor in front of the times. Let's see if it'll let me do that. There we go. Now I've got it in front. So we're going to take order item price times current order item quantity. Okay, so And that's going to be a number, a dollar amount. So we're going to put a currency on the result. So we're going to style the number as a currency. Okay, and we're done. So I don't think there's a save button. We just click off of it. And now I've got $1 showing there. So now let's go and look and see if that in fact calculated the correct amount. So we go to View Cart, and let's go up. Let's go down. We don't have a total price. Look here, amount to pay, $1.70. So we have the amount to pay down here correct, but we're not showing the total price up here. Okay, so let's see what our amount to pay number is. So we come down here, the amount to pay sum is the sum order item total price. Okay, well, you know, we may end up having to do something else here to be able to get this to look the way that we want it to look. So first, let's make sure that the sum order item total price, which is all order items, order item total price sum, that's the variable that we're passing into Stripe. Sum order item total price. All order items, order item total price sum. Okay, so we should be passing the correct amount. So let's go to preview again, and let's look at View Cart. Amount to pay $1.70. So let's click Pay Now. Could not find payment information. All right, so what's going on here? Let's go look and see. Let's close this. Let's go look and see. So Stripe payment, what are we looking for? Charge description. Okay, we don't have a description, so let's put in order items. Let's see here. Logged in user. So this description is going to be the login user full name, and then we're going to put in, let's do that email field. We're going to put the logged in user email, and the submit button. We're creating an order, and we're linking to order success. All right, so let's try this one more time and see if we've gotten the information that we need into the pay now process. Okay, we still could not find payment information. Okay, so the amount to pay should be $1.70. Why are we not finding payment information? Okay, let's look here in our order items detail page, come down to our available data. Okay, so we have the current product. So under order items, all items, and okay, quantity, order item quantity. And let's just double click here. Let's look at this. This is order item name, order item price, order item quantity. And we have the quantity adjustment up or down. And then we have total price, which is a custom formula, order item price times order item quantity. So that is our total price. And then we come down here. Let's clean this up just a little bit because I find this very confusing. There we go. I'm going to clean it up that way. Now we're going to click right here and sum order item total price. Okay, sum order item total price. Let's look and see if there's something else here. So we've got the order items and order item total price sum. So that's what it should be. Now we're going to preview again. Sometimes you just have to reset the formulas. So let's go look here. It says $1.70 pay amount. We still could not find payment information. Okay, why are we unable to find payment information? So it says Stripe Connect active, Stripe payment, US dollars, charge description is the full name. Let's make this plus the order item. order items. Well, we don't have the order item here. We can't, we're not getting the order item. So there's something going on. Okay, yeah, this is frustrating to not have this fully debugged in advance. You know what? I'm going to have to spend some time debugging this and then come back and show you how I did that, because sometimes it can take a lot of time to track down these debugging issues. So rats. You know, it can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to do this stuff live. So I promise you, you can figure this out. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over and see what I've got on my profile here. So on my profile, I've got order items. And if I click on the link, I go to link to orders. And so if I click on link to orders, I'm pushing my current order item to orders. So down here is my orders. And if I click on this, I've got order items, current order item product. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be showing in this list. Order items, current order item products. And if I click there, current order item, let's see, order item products, order item product. Okay, so let's see if that's broke. Let's see here. Let's go to our profile. Toyota Land Cruiser. And yeah, the orders are not showing up. Okay. I am, well, I am frustrated because I expected to be able to show you the solution to this, and it just didn't work out the way I anticipated. So I am going to do a couple of other little things. First of all, I'm going to set up a state sales tax list for you. So what I'm going to do is, if we're going to charge sales taxes based upon the state, we're going to have a sales tax database and also a state list. And then we're going to have to assign users to a state so that we can track what the sales tax rate is in their state. So we're going to add a collection. We're going to call it US states. And we're just going to go ahead and add that collection. Now I'm going to click on zero records, and I'm going to import a CSV file. So I'm going to go ahead and click select a file, and this will now allow me to go find files that I can select. And as it turns out, I have a file in Adalo, which is US states. So where is my US states file? Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. I'm going to open it, and it's going to import two things, state and state tax rate. So I'm going to go ahead and import the data, and I'm going to say done. And now we have, here we have state and created date. Where's my state tax rates? It didn't bring in my state tax rates. All right, why not? Why didn't it bring in the state tax rates? Okay, so let's go to US states. Let's open this folder, and let's see what the US state rates. Well, I don't have, where are the taxes? Oh, I don't have taxes in that one. Doggone it, where are my taxes? Well, you know what? I am just batting 1,000 today. I'm going to go ahead and call this one over and just say that, you know what? Today was a boondoggle, and I'm going to chalk it up to not preparing adequately. Hopefully you'll come back tomorrow and I'll have a better, example of this for you. This can take a lot of time. This is why Probably a good reason why developers don't try to show you how they do stuff, making the sausage online on live demos, because you can run into a lot of rabbit holes that you have to go chase rabbits. And that's what I'm doing today. I'm chasing rabbits. So we'll get this figured out. Tomorrow I will have the answers. Thank you for watching. And I feel like we both have learned something. I've learned to do a little bit more prep before I launch into this. And you've learned that it can be very frustrating. All right. Thanks for joining. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.